If your app loads in 8 seconds, you just lost 53% of your users. So here is the science. The human brain decides to quit at 3 seconds. After that, people start getting frustrated. By 8 seconds, they're gone. They close the app and never come back. And here's the worst part that most developers never noticed. Why? Because they test on their fancy work computers with super fast internet. Everything loads instantly for them. They think it's fine. But your users, they are on old phones, slow Wi-Fi, bad cell signal, and your app is crawling. That's why performance testing matters. It catches slowness before your users experienced it. Let me give you an example. My Dream Achievement app lets people track their goals and get community support. When I tested it on my laptop, opening the dream list took 1 second. So I'm sitting there thinking I'm some kind of coding wizard. Then I tested it on the old phone with slow internet. 7 seconds. 7. Yeah, not a wizard, just an idiot with fast Wi-Fi. By the time the dreams loaded, users would already be gone. Performance testing saved me. I found the problem early, fixed it, and now it loads in 2 seconds even on slow connections. We've all rage quit a slow website. You click, you wait more, then you say forget this and leave. Your users do the same thing. Speed isn't just nice to have, speed is your business. Want to learn how to test performance and keep users happy? Join my Software Tester Mastery course. The link is on the screen. Let's make you the tester who saves the user experience.